Hello and welcome to Art with Shannon. Today, let's make a spider and its web. You will need paper, pencil, prestic, scissors. Let's begin with our piece of paper. Fold one corner up so that you make a big double triangle. Cut that large triangle off. Fold it up again into a smaller triangle. And again. Take the side where you can't see the folded inside paper and begin cutting out a stripe or circle pattern. Off any extra paper. When you're ready, fold out your page. This should leave you with a large cutout web. Awesome. When you're ready, color a large dark square onto your extra paper. Cut out the shape of the spider in your pencil area. Stick your spider to your web. This lets you move it around when you want to. And there you go, a spider in its web. Please make sure to like and subscribe and push that bell. I would love to hear from you, so comment down below to let me know what you think. And if you followed along with this video, make sure to send a picture. Be safe, be cool, be creative.